What if I told you that the secret to living a longer, healthier life isn't some futuristic technology or a miracle pill? It's already in your kitchen? Imagine adding not just years to your life, but life to your years. Today, we're diving into the 9 essential vitamins and nutrients that longevity experts swear by. These aren't just good for you, they're game changers for your health span. Ready to unlock the power of food? Let's get started. Number 1, vitamin D. Known as the sunshine vitamin, it's a powerhouse for reducing inflammation, supporting bone health, and boosting your immune system. But here's the kicker. Research shows it can lower your risk of chronic diseases like osteoporosis, heart disease, and even certain cancers. So how do you get it? Catch some sun for 5 to 30 minutes a day, or load up on foods like fatty fish, eggs, and UV-exposed mushrooms. Number 2, omega-3s. These healthy fats are famous for supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and even improving brain function. But did you know they're also linked to a longer lifespan? Studies show higher omega-3 levels can reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Find them in salmon, flax seeds, walnuts, and even seaweed. Number 3, magnesium isn't just for better sleep. It's crucial for muscle function, nerve signaling, and blood sugar control. Plus, it's a heart hero. Getting enough magnesium can protect your heart and reduce the risk of heart disease, one of the top causes of death. Load up on spinach, avocado, nuts, and seeds to keep your levels in check. Number 4, vitamin B12. As we age, absorbing vitamin B12 becomes harder, leading to fatigue and cognitive decline. But this nutrient is vital for nerve function and red blood cell production. To stay sharp and energized, focus on lean meats, seafood, eggs, and dairy. Plant-based. Nutritional yeast is your best friend. Number 5, vitamin E. Oxidative stress is one of the main drivers of aging, but vitamin E is here to fight back. This antioxidant protects your cells, strengthens your immune system, and slows down signs of aging. Find it in avocados, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens like spinach. Number 6, plant compounds. Polyphenols found in berries, green tea, and olive oil are your secret weapon against inflammation and oxidative stress. They're linked to improved heart health and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Bonus, they're delicious. Number 7, creatine. You might know creatine as a workout booster, but it's also a brain hero. Studies suggest it can improve memory, learning, and even protect against age-related cognitive decline. Get it from lean meats, seafood, and dairy. Number 8, soluble fiber. A healthy gut is key to longevity, and soluble fiber is your gut's best friend. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding your healthy gut bacteria and improving digestion. Find it in oats, berries, legumes, and even garlic. Last but not least, at number 9, adaptogens. These plant-based compounds help your body handle stress, boost energy, and support overall well-being. Think turmeric, ashwagandha, and lion's mane mushrooms, which are especially great for brain health as you age. So there you have it, 9 vitamins and nutrients that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Remember, it's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years. Start small, focus on these nutrient-rich foods, and watch how your body thanks you. Which one are you adding to your diet first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time.